Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl Villaroman, President and CEO of the Phila Web Technology Incorporated, a premium Moodle partner in the Philippines. We are thrilled to invite you to the upcoming MoodleMoot Philippines 2023. This event will take place from July 5 to 7, 2023 at the Century Park Hotel, Manila. MoodleMoot Philippines is a unique opportunity for all Moodle users and enthusiasts to come together and share their knowledge and expertise. This year's event will feature exciting keynote speakers, informative presentations, and engaging workshops that cover the latest developments in Moodle and e-learning technologies. The aim of this event is to bring together the Moodle community of practitioners and users such as educators, trainers, developers, and technology researchers to share experiences and exchange research achievements and innovative developments on using Moodle learning management system. Showcase the latest educational research and development related to Moodle LMS, facilitate forums, debates, networking, and professional development opportunities. Finally, with our conference theme for this year, Digital Transformation in Education, we want to promote a space of collaboration where organizations showcase their experiences based on the collective struggles they have all faced during the pandemic. Learn from stories of resilience and resourcefulness and how they have used Moodle as an effective learning platform for the digital transformation of their organization. We welcome all educators, administrators, developers, and anyone interested in e-learning to join us for this exciting event. This is your chance to connect with other Moodle users in the Philippines. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to expand your knowledge and network with fellow Moodle enthusiasts. Register now and secure your spot at MoodleMoot Philippines 2023. We look forward to seeing you there.